Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the reference panel so you can view your source without switching layers. Tap Actions, then Canvas, then Reference, and pick Image, Color, or Symmetry depending on your need. Once the panel appears, import your photo or take a quick snapshot. This keeps the original visible while you draw. Make sure to drag the handle to place it out of the way and pinch with 2 fingers to resize. This sets up a persistent view that saves time and reduces mistakes as you work. Once your reference is visible, integrate it into your drawing process by sampling and aligning. Use the Color tab to pick exact hues with the eyedropper. This avoids guesswork and maintains color consistency. With the Image tab, crop or flip the reference so features line up with your canvas orientation, and zoom independently to inspect detail. Make sure to keep your actual drawing on a separate layer so you can trace or study without altering the reference. This method speeds up accurate proportions. To finish, hide or close the reference panel and continue refining on your canvas. This preserves your composition while removing distractions. If something looks misaligned, first adjust the reference crop or flip, then use transform on your drawing layer to fine-tune placement. This keeps proportions intact. Make sure to duplicate important reference layers or export the reference image so you don't lose source material. If the panel stops responding, toggle reference off and on, restart Procreate, and reopen the file to reset the tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.